Hi guys, now we are going to discuss about how to convert Indian rupees into bitcoins or vice versa. After the announcement of Supreme Court that the banks have not allowing the bitcoins to convert into Indian rupees, but now we got an app named Wazirx. In this app, we can convert bitcoin into Indian rupees by peer-to-peer transaction. Are you afraid of what is peer-to-peer transaction? Yes, I will make you easier then. First of all, you have to download Wazirx app. I will be mentioning it in description. Don't worry. Now this is the app Wazirx. After the installing this app, you have to make KYC. KYC is nothing but you have to make some egg. So I will show you. You have to first log in or sign up. If you not have an account, you should be sign up. Then after signing up, you will be getting some KYC. After the KYC, just you need that peer-to-peer transactions here. See, read more. I will show in my app where you can see the peer-to-peer transactions. This is my app, and see here, after the signing up and KYC, you will be able to convert the peer-to-peer transaction of money to Bitcoin in rupees. Here the peer-to-peer orders. If you have any peer-to-peer orders, you can make it here. So this is tab. I have made some transactions here. So now the present value is 17.1.89 for $1. You can buy in dollars. In it will be dollars will be deposited as USDT. It is a coin, and you can convert it into BTC. That is a Bitcoin. Now after the Bitcoin, you can buy these orders as C USDT. USDT converts into Bitcoin as per the present value. You can convert it, and then after getting the Bitcoin, you can be continue to deposit or withdrawal to any other accounts you are using as Binance, with Bittrex, etc. I think you have learned some from my app, from my video. Thank you.